Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kirti. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss any of my video. Today in this video, I'm gonna share about winter skincare routine. I have teenager morning and night skincare routine. You can also watch that. This is especially for winter because in winter your skin becomes dull and your skin doesn't look glowing, bright. So if you want to know how to make your skin clear, glowing, then please do watch this video completely so that you'll get an idea how to make your skin to look glowing. In winters your skin becomes so drying. It is common in all the winters our skin gets dry, and you'll suffer from a problem like patchy on your skin start to peel. For all these problems, if you are suffering from all these problems, then see this video completely so that you'll get to know how to get rid of all these problems at home, because I am sharing a natural home remedies that you can use it. You don't want to go out and spend lots of money to get back your glowing skin. Do watch this video and later thank me. I think few people are questioning in their mind that we can use this remedies on our body. Yeah, you can use this on your body also, but stay tuned for the next video because the next video is based upon that only, winter body care. So see that video also so that you'll get to know how to take care of your body also. Without further wasting our time, let's get started. In this video, I'm showing all the natural ingredients that is available at your house. So see this video completely to get to know what are the ingredients. Step 1 is you need to cleanse your face. For that, you can use curd. The lactic acid present in the curd helps in shedding the dead cells from the skin and also fights against wrinkles and early signs of aging. Apart from this, the lactic acid also helps moisture the skin, leaving it soft and supple. As soon as you get up, just wash your face with the help of curd. You can also wash your face with the help of honey if you have extremely dry skin. You can also use milk. I'm giving more options for you. You can decide and you can use it. Step 2 is face wash. When you're taking bath, at that time you can wash your face. Firstly, cleanse your face as soon as you get up. Just cleanse your face. When you're taking bath, you can use face wash. For that, I'm using basin. Basin has an amazing benefits on the skin. It removes tan, it lightens the skin, it reduces oiliness, it also reduces the dark spot because of pimple, and it can also be used as a body scrub also. If you have an extremely oily skin, then you can use multani mitti instead of basin, but basin is amazing. Next step is scrubbing your face. For that, you just need a two ingredient. One is coconut oil and one is sugar. It will be available in your house. So just take a tablespoon of coconut oil and a sugar and just mix it. If you have a sensitive skin, then use powder sugar instead of sugar granules, and just mix it properly and just start to scrub your face. Be gentle on your skin, don't be too harsh on your skin. In this video it is looking like I'm harsh on my skin. No, I have fast forwarded, so only it is looking like that. The benefits of coconut oil are like it works best for dry and dull skin. Coconut oil locks the moisture in the skin and also nourishes it with the essential fatty acid. It also protects skin from the UV radiation. All these factors can make your skin glow. The sugar granules provide an exfoliating effect to help to get rid of all the dead cells which is accumulated on your skin. So just use scrub twice a week. Next step is face massage. For that you just need a papaya. Just mash it with the help of a spoon or a fork, then add a coffee powder to it and a pinch of turmeric powder. And for that, you just add a curd to mix it really very well. If you are allergic to a curd, then you can use a milk. If you don't want to use curd or a milk, then you can use water. Just you need that to mix it all the mixture properly. Papaya helps to remove the top layer of the dead cells on the face and makes your skin radiant and younger looking. It also helps your skin to glow from within. Next, turmeric also helps to reduce dark spots and pigmentation. Even coffee powder makes your skin smooth and it makes your skin bright instantly. Massage your face once in a week at least, because face massage is really very important. Next step is face pack. For that you just need a basin, multani mitti, turmeric powder. To mix it, you just need curd. As I told, if you are allergic to it, just don't use curd or a milk on your face. You can use honey instead of curd or a milk. If you have extremely dry skin, honey act as a best, so you can use honey. Or you can also use aloe vera gel which is available at your home. Just take that mixture and apply on your face. Just massage your face once again. I know you have massaged your face in a previous step, but while applying face mask also just massage your face for 2 to 3 minutes and leave it for dry. After 10 minutes, just take a water in your hand and just start to massage it. It helps to remove all the dead cell from the skin and makes your skin smooth, glowing, and you will have instant result from these steps. Just use these steps to get a glowing skin. I'm showing my face. It is really. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like my video, share it with your friends and family so that they also get to know how to get rid of all these problems. So yeah, that's all. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and support me and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. Bye and take care.